Danny, you've got one of the best set of pipes in the business.
Oh, half past the hour, 68 degrees, and he's CDB. Oh, the devil went down to Georgia. Charlie Daniels Band at 96 Rock. Coming up, tickets to Iggy Azalea. It will be poppin'. Here's Barry White. Can't get enough of your love, babe. Oh, can't get enough of your love, babe. Casey Kasem always sounded so into the music and the great stories. Time for our long-distance dedication. It comes from Milford, Connecticut, and a little boy named Todd. And it says, Dear Danny, I shared an amazing day with this woman that I never heard from her again. I feel so dirty and so used. Could you please play All of Me to ease my broken heart? Signed, Todd.
You're all that I want and I'm not giving up on you.
Here's a whole lot of love. That's what she said.